Hello Vivekians. How are you all? I'm sure my lovely kids are in good health and enjoying school from home program as well as having fun time with your family. I'm your Ruchi ma'am in charge of grade 3 and once again I welcome you all in today's English class. Chapter 4 How Clever. In our previous session, we understood statements and questions. We also learnt how to punctuate statements and questions and differentiate between them. Now, dear children, today we will learn to change statements into questions. So, the objective of today's class is to learn how to change statements into questions. So everybody open your book at page number 50 and put today's date. Yes, no questions. Read this question and its answer. Question: is this a penguin? Answer: yes, this is a penguin. So you came to know that when there is a question, we put question mark at the end and for statement we put a full stop. Now come to page number 51. Question that begin with words called verbs like is, are, do or does are usually answered with yes or no. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो do, does, is और आर से शुरू होते हैं उनके आंसर्स यूजुअली yes और no में होते हैं. See the examples given on page number 51. Is it hot? Yes, it is. Next, are you hungry? No, I am not. A statement can be changed to question by placing the verb at the beginning of the sentence. Now, what is a verb? You all have read in class 2 that verbs are action words, and some of the verbs which we call be verbs or the helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, would, shall, should, can, could. So these are the be verbs and these are also known as the helping verbs. So when we have helping verbs in a sentence, what we do to make them questions? Let us see. For example, Tenali Raman is holding a bamboo stick. Full stop. Full stop means this is a simple statement. The word is in this sentence, see it is given in red color, is a helping verb as I told you earlier. Now let's bring is before Tenali Raman. is को हम beginning में ले आएंगे, ठीक है, सेंटेंस के beginning में. तो क्या बनेगा? Is Tenali Raman holding a bamboo stick? Question mark. तो जब हम helping verb को सेंटेंस की beginning में ले आए तो वो क्या बन गया? Question बन गया. So do you know what happened? Yes, we converted a statement into a question. And how? Only by changing the place of a helping verb. Okay, let's try it again. Next sentence. The courtiers are jealous of Tenali Raman. Full stop. Now this is a simple statement. Now what is the helping verb in this? Are. Okay. Now do the process again. Move the word are at the front of the sentence. What it will become? Are the courtiers jealous of Tenali Raman? Question mark. So the statement was, The courtiers are jealous of Tenali Raman. Full stop. Right? But when we shifted this R in the beginning of the sentence, it became a question. Right? Okay. जब हमने R को beginning में shift किया तो वो क्या बन गया? Question बन गया. Are the courtiers jealous of Tenali Raman? Right? Okay. So this is the first method. How we can convert a statement into a question. तो हम statement को question बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? Helping verbs को sentence के beginning में shift करेंगे. Clear? Right. Now it is clear that if a sentence has a helping verb, what we will do to make it a question? We will shift it to the beginning of the sentence. Clear? Okay, let's learn through some examples. The teachers have taken the test sheets. Now in this we have helping verb have, and this is a statement. Now how can you convert it into a question? We have to shift the helping verb have in the beginning of the sentence. So what will it become? Have the teachers taken the test sheets? Question mark. Clear? By moving the helping verb to the beginning of the sentence, you can convert a simple statement into a question. Right? Only you have to shift the helping verb in the beginning and place a question mark at the end. Rest of the sentence will remain same. ठीक है? आपने सिर्फ helping verb को beginning में लाना है और बाकी जो sentence है वो same रहेगा और last में आपने question mark put करना है. ठीक है? और ये रूल तो आपको पंक्चुएशन में आपने पढ़ा ही है कि जब भी हम कोई सेंटेंस बिगिन करते हैं तो फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होता है. तो जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब बिगनिंग में आएगा वो कैपिटल से स्टार्ट होगा. राइट? ओके. सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. शी विल विन द मैच. फुल स्टॉप. Full stop means this is a statement. Now what you have to do to make it a question? First you have to find out what is the helping verb in this. Will. Will is the helping verb. So you have to shift the helping verb will in the beginning of the sentence. So what it will become? Will she win the match? Question mark. Right? So one more thing you have to keep in mind while shifting the helping verb, you will start the first letter with the capital letter. Clear? Now there is one more method to change a statement into a question. By adding do or does, you can make a simple statement into a question. Right? Now see how. You can add do or does in the beginning of the sentence when there is no helping verb in the sentence. जब आपके sentence में कोई भी helping verb ना हो और वो sentence simple present में हो, तब आप do और does का use करेंगे question बनाने के लिए. Clear? Now let's learn where to use do and where to use does. So when the sentence is in simple present and the subject is plural. Now what is subject and what is plural? Subject is about whom we are talking. जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं sentence में, वो subject होता है. Right? And plural means many. तो अगर subject plural है और सेंटेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट में है तब हम डू का यूज करेंगे. ठीक है? सेंटेंस के बिगनिंग में हम डू का यूज करेंगे. ऑलराइट? ओके, लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल. दे ग्रीट देयर टीचर्स वार्मली. दे. नाउ दे रिप्रेजेंट प्लूरल and we are talking about simple present tense. And this is a simple statement. Okay, so here we will use do. Because plural के साथ तो हम हमेशा do का use करते हैं. So what will be the question? Do they greet their teachers warmly? Question mark. तो आपने क्या किया? Beginning of the sentence में do लगाया. क्यों लगाया do? क्योंकि subject plural था. ठीक है? They, right? They represents plural. And at the end of the sentence, you will put a question mark. Because in question, we always put a question mark in place of full stop. In statement, we use full stop. And in question, we use question mark. Clear? Okay. Next example. You throw stones at my window. Full stop. Now this is a statement. Why? Because we have full stop at the end. And you represents plural. Okay. I, you, we, they. All these words represents plural subject. And plural के साथ हम क्या करते हैं? हम do use करते हैं. Very good. So, what will be the question now? Do you throw stones at my window? Question mark. And what will be at the end? Question mark. Because when we make a question, we always put a question mark at the end. Alright? Okay. तो आपको do का रूल समझ आ गया कि हम do का यूज कहां करते हैं? Again I am repeating. In simple present sentence, when the subject is plural, right? Okay. Now where do we use does? हम does का यूज कहां करेंगे? Add does to the beginning of sentence for singular subject. Right? If the subject is singular and the sentence is in simple present tense. Now what is singular? Singular means one and simple present tense means जब हम अभी की बात कर रहे हों. Right now, present, today, when we are talking about present. Alright? Okay. So अगर subject singular हो और सेंटेंस सिंपल प्रेजेंट में हो तो हम क्या करते हैं? डज का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है? और सेंटेंसेस में कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब ना हो तभी हम डू और डज का यूज करते हैं. सो वी विल स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस विथ डज एंड इट विल बिकम अ क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई कैट प्लेज विथ द टॉयज. फुल स्टॉप. नाउ दिस इज अ सिंपल statement. Here cat is the subject and there is only one cat, so it is a singular. So how will you make a question? Does your cat play with the toys? Question mark. Now here I have used play in place of plays while making question. Why? Because whenever we use do or does, we use the first form of the verb, V1 form. Alright? जब भी हम do और does का यूज करते हैं तब हम verb की first form यूज करते हैं. Right? And play is the first form. Okay. Next example. She takes the bus. Full stop. She represents a singular subject and we are talking about only one girl or a woman. Now why we have used takes? Because subject is singular. In statement, when the subject is singular, we use verb plus s or es. Right? Okay. Now we use does in the beginning of the sentence to make it a question. क्योंकि वो सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है इसलिए हम डज का यूज करेंगे. सो व्हाट विल बी द क्वेश्चन? डज शी टेक द बस? नाउ हियर takes will not come, take will come, because do और does के साथ हम verb की first form use करते हैं and take is the first form of the verb. takes नहीं आएगा, take आएगा. जब हम do और does का use करते हैं तब हम verb की first form लगाते हैं. Clear? So what will be the question? Does she take the bus? Right? Now you have converted this statement into a question. So always remember to mark a question mark at the end. Clear? Okay. So these were some rules to convert a statement into a question. Is this topic clear to you? Very good. I hope the topic is clear now. But if not, watch the video 2-3 times as it is a new concept for you. So you have to do a lot of practice as practice makes a man perfect. And now it's time for home assignment. You have to do Let's Try 6 and 7 in course book and My Turn 4 and 5 in practice book. And do your work neatly. Do your work yourself and be independent. Alright? So, it's all for today. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.